I searched how to buy shares of Oxley Bridge Acquisition Ltd to demonstrate the process. Oxley Bridge Acquisition Ltd is a publicly listed acquisition company on NASDAQ with the ticker OBA, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OBA to find the listing. Select the correct NASDAQ result to ensure you have the right Oxley Bridge Acquisition Ltd stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker so you are sure it is the correct listing. Click the Investor Buy button, choose the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order before submission. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next available time, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it confirms. After the trade executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same example.